Now, we're going to discover how to increase traffic to your YouTube channel. But now, how do you go exactly about doing that? Many people are really hyperactive and they want to make it, they want to crush it, they want to know exactly how exactly to earn subscribers, how to get subscribers, how to get views, and how to do all of that, which is so good. Which is so good when you look at other videos and you see them crushing it and you see people with millions or millions of subscribers and you wonder how are they doing it. But now, how do you increase traffic towards your YouTube channel, how do you get to all of those? Now look, all of those subscribers, all of those people, YouTube creators that you see, big ones, they started from zero. No one starts from up. They all started from zero and they started building their YouTube channel brick by brick, brick by brick. They've been years, those channels have been around for years. But now maybe you've been almost a year and you're uploading videos and you are doing everything, you've done keyword research and nothing seems to be working. You've done everything. They've said, put, I don't know how many tags, I don't know, put how many whatever, put how many, do this and that, do that, but nothing is working. Make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end because I do have the exact tips that will send traffic and will flow traffic onto your channel. So sit still and listen and don't go anywhere because these tips will help you change your YouTube life. Now, how do you send traffic to your videos, to your channel? First of all, before you actually go and say, I usually repeat this again and again. You need to do keyword research. Do keyword research. And also, if your YouTube channel is really brand new, YouTube channels that are new take a little bit of while. They take a while to get on the platform, to get roots, to get authority, to gain authority on the platform. So you need to work hard. The first year of your channel, not the first year really, depending on what niche you are. Now, talking about niche, you need to have a niche. What niche are you in? What niche are you in? Is your niche viral? Because if you're not in a famous niche, if you're not in a niche, what are you, a vlogger? What do you do? Are you into viral topics? Are you into evergreen topics? Are you into, now what do I mean by all that? Viral topics are topics that are hot news. A bus ran over someone and it just hit him on the ground and he was gone. Those are hot news. Something they burned up the whole building, and those are hot news. Those are hot news. COVID-19 has killed, that is hot news. It's gonna burn off. It's not evergreen topic. Now, what is evergreen topic? Evergreen topic are topics that always, even after 10 years, you will keep getting views. Those titles will still be searched for. Those phrases will still be searched for. Now, phrases like how to get rid of pimples, that one, forever and ever, people will always have pimples and will always look for how to get rid of pimples, how to create, how to make a smoothie, how to make a bread recipe, a banana bread loaf, how to make a cake. Those are evergreen topics that will ever crush it. Now, what niche are you in? What niche are you in? Are you into topics that die after a couple of days and then you wonder why? Are you a vlogger? Because maybe you are a vlogger, but usually this whole vlogging thing is for people that are famous. People that have crushed it and have made it on YouTube. They've got millions and millions of subscribers, thousands and 10,000s and 100,000s are the ones who crush it with vlogging. Because vlogging is all about me and it's this and interviewing and me. It's all about you. But now if you're new, nobody knows you. So what niche are you in? What niche are you in? What industry are you in? Are you into something that people are looking for, that is trending right now? Trending topics are the ones that will give you instant views. But now, if you are new and new YouTuber and you're just starting out, usually new YouTubers, trending topics usually they make your channel go viral. Trending topics usually, if you start with trending topics, that's a good way of getting your channel off the ground. Quick. Trending topics. Find topics that are trending, things that are trending, so people view, but just know, have it in your mind that the topics will die in just a week. will die in just a week. There's xenophobia going on, and those are trending topics. So if you can make videos quick and put them up, you will get views. They will trend and die out in just a week. So you make your video about trending topics before you start making evergreen and start doing keyword. Well, even trending, you have to do keyword research, but then before you start doing evergreen, that will get evergreen topics usually go slow. They're seasonal. They will come end of the year. So if you talk about Christmas, if it's all about Christmas season, weddings, wedding planner. So that's what I said. What niche are you? Are you a wedding planner? Are you a party planner? Are you an event planner? Those topics usually trend. Those titles trend in summer, because summer is when weddings are happening, is when such things people do. When it enters summer, in winter it's all dead. Winter you can talk about things like things like that trend in winter. You would know. Go and do your research. But what exactly, to what topics are you into? What niche are you into? If you're into beauty and all of that, then you're likely to be trending all the time. But if you are into seasonal things, seasonal stuff will always, your videos will always peak during that season, and then they will die off for a few months and then peak at that season. So those are evergreen, but now the trending ones, trending hot topics, they will die out in a week. So what niche are you in? What are you into? That will determine which kind of traffic that will flow onto your side of your channel. Now, trending topics usually are very good to start with, to begin with. Go do your research, go do your keyword research and know exactly what's trending. Say if something is going on in your country right now, maybe there is election or something of that sort, maybe there's xenophobia going on somewhere. So those are things that people are searching for. Topics that a celebrity passed away, a celebrity did this, a celebrity was caught in scandal. Those are the trending topics. So make videos on those trending topics. Then you'll get traffic to come your way, because right now people are busy searching, reading whatever that is put up, any video, any content, any web, any article that is put up on websites about that particular trending topic, people will read it. So try and do trending topics for the first in the beginning, but I will not advise you to rely your whole channel onto trending, because you'll burn out. You need to be having this whole journalism, that whole journalism thing. If you love being a journalist, then trending topics are for you. Then your channel can go trending, can go in that direction. But if you're kind of a person who doesn't like gossip, you don't know how to interact in such stuff, then do it just for the sake of getting traffic and getting subscribers and getting your channel off the ground, and of which you even lose some of the subscribers, because eventually if you change from trending topics and start doing evergreen content, some subscribers will start unsubscribing. They will lose interest, because they subscribe for trending topics, expecting hot news from you, but now you're giving them something else. But now I would advise that you have, maybe on Mondays and Thursday, you upload trending topics, and then the other days you upload evergreen topics, so that you keep your audience that is into this, and then keep your other audience that is into that. So this is how you actually draw traffic. You increase traffic onto your channel. The other thing is share those links to those videos. Tell people, tell friends, go to forums, go to groups, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, go into those groups on Twitter, Instagram, go there and share the link. Now what you do is you don't share a video, also create playlists. Playlists are very good. Now first thing, playlists are good because when you're sharing a video, instead of sharing a link to the particular video, you share a link in which the video is in a playlist in which the video is. So every video that you upload, take it and put it in a playlist. Create a playlist, and more like a series, like 10 to 15 to 20 videos in it. So now when you share a video, go into the playlist and then click on that video. The link, it's a link that will come on top there, on a bar there on top. It will be a playlist link. It will be that video inside a playlist. Therefore, it will share the video and the whole playlist in it. So when you take that video, that link of that video that is in a playlist, and share it elsewhere, people will be, after they watch that video, it will take them straight to the next video. They will be watching the whole playlist. So that way you will get interaction, you'll get people to stay on your YouTube channel. That will trigger the algorithm showing it that your videos are good, and it will recommend will recommend your video to more and more traffic. Now, the other thing to do is make sure that you like I said, go into forums and share those videos, share the links everywhere, share the links. That way traffic will be flowing. When you take a link, and a YouTube link, and you share it on Facebook, people that click on that link and watch on Facebook, the views always come. You get the views. Your views come long before when they usually have a beef. Facebook had a beef with YouTube. It was Facebook locked the views for about 3 years. It locked the views. Views were not coming from the other side, showing up on YouTube, because they had their own beef, they had their own misunderstanding and fights, because they're both competitors. So now, recently, a few months ago, they released, now views can easily show up on the other side. So that's a good way of also bringing in people, bringing in traffic, increasing traffic onto your YouTube channel. So if you want to see more and learn more about how to increase subscribers, how to increase views, how to promote your YouTube channel, how to get subscribers from zero and crush it, how to make money online through YouTube marketing and affiliating and monetization, make sure you subscribe there at the bottom. Touch the bell button next to it in order for you not to miss out on any content that I upload to YouTube just for you. Like this video, you can share it also to friends, share it to your buddies there at school, so they can also learn about how to go about sending traffic onto your YouTube channel in order to grow it fast and effective. Israel again, make sure you keep coming back and back again for more video tips. Bye bye.